Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s from the European distribution, and today we are going to check if this smartphone comes with factory charger in the box set. So let's quickly open the box. And as you can see, we can find here the original Xiaomi charger, and it looks like that with signature orange part right here for cable. So yeah, inside we can find a charger. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.